By my side, I have 3 different fabrics to show you guys. This white little guy is satin construction. It's very soft and comfortable. Okay, the another one, the black one, they are same construction. It's very soft. I love them so much. They can create beautiful pleats, but kind of weighted. Okay, the last one, the window pleat. I suggest avoiding this kind of fabric if you want to have more ruffle or have a fullness effect on your skirt. I did a mock-up to take a look the effect, and the pleat is not really beautiful. It looks very messy. I don't like it. Let's move on. Pattern part. I drew this image to make it easier to understand. It's a little logic. The measurements you need are in inches. First layer width is 5 and 1/8 inch. Length is 18 and 1/2 inch. Plus the pleats ratio of volume and seam allowance, so totally around 29 and 1/4 inch. I know patterns are complicated, so you can just click the link in the description to get them. Here comes la couture. This part we're gonna create beautiful pleats on your skirt. We're gonna create the first pleat for 2.5 cm and iron it. 2 row by the longest stitch depends on your machine. First row 8 mm from the edge, second row 2 mm from the first row. And then short it, pull 2 threads from the front. And we're gonna sew 1 row between the 2 rows. And then make a waist part and first layer together. Make the left side seam consistent and keep seam allowance 1 cm inside the skirt. Creating the second third part pleats. The method of creating the pleats are the same, just different length. Combine each side seam to make the set length we indicated before. Here, I skipped the tutorials showing the pleats. It's the same way. Sewing 2 rows and take 2 threads in the end and sew them. This part is easy. After sewing, combine the up seam of first part and the third part hem. Put the 1 cm edge stitches. After checking the pleats, we can remove the basting. Facing is an easy part. Facing must glue with interlining. Interlining helps to solidify the fabric and fit your waist. And remember, interlining is not expensive at all. So make sure you buy a good quality one and you won't regret it. Keep one side seam open and sew the other side seam. Then a zipper part. Change 1 single foot. Front side facing, tuck the edge of back side zipper. Sew 1 and end edge stitches. zip it and take a look. The zipper usually opens on the right side of skirt. So, this part, front side zipper, sew with the right side seam. Match the facing and skirt side seam, don't mess up the order. Pin the seam allowance 1.5 cm and make the zipper stays on the right place. By the way, sewing a beautiful zipper without having a lot of experience may be difficult. I know and understand, so don't give it a lot of pressure, so just relax, take your time, and it goes smoothly. By using this little tool, the invisible zipper foot can help us to finish perfectly and also more sufficient. Change these special foot and adjust a good place. Look at the ditch of zipper. Pay attention, we're gonna put the stitches in this stitch. You can take an interlining tape, helps you sew easier and avoid the puckering. Check from time to time the stitches are fine. Same thing on the other side. Double check the zipper, then proceed the waist combination. Put the surface of facing and skirt together and sew 1 cm seam allowance all around the waist. Using baby hem foot, adjust the fabric place and sew all around the bottom hem. Using baby hem foot, adjust the fabric place and sew all around the bottom hem. Just curve a little the edge of fabric and sand it smoothly to create the beautiful hem. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you like my work, please like and subscribe so you won't miss any of my next videos. See you next time. Bye bye.